there everyone. When last I left you, I finished showing you how to lay out your tiles and choose spacing and all of those things, and today I'm going to start putting the tiles on the wall. There's a couple of things to think about though before you do that, is that these are glass tiles, which is different than porcelain, which is different than ceramic, because glass isn't very permeable, and so we have to choose the correct tile adhesive for that. Now all your big box stores have available something that will suit you. Let me show you the one that I've chosen. Okay, so big box number X sells this brand, Mapei, and it's a mosaic and glass tile specific tile adhesive, and it has a polymer. You can choose any type of mortar. This one's just probably best for application. I think many white mortars and tile adhesives would work for this application. Well, before I put adhesive on the walls, it's important to go through your walls and knock off any high spots, any bits. You can see I've scratched here. There's a bit of marks from my trowels. There was a high spot here and I knocked that off. And around my outlet there was some broken drywall, so I had to cut that back so at least it's smooth. It doesn't really matter, it'll be behind the tiles and the tile adhesive will fill any of the gaps that I've created from cleaning it up. Okay, so let's get on to some tiling. I've already mixed up some tile adhesive, and when you do that, please follow the mixing instructions on the bag. I use water and I use this old paint mixer to do it. I mix it up, let it wait 10 minutes, mix it up a bit more, and then you're ready to go. Just follow the instructions in the bag. To put the adhesive on the wall, I'll be using a very small V-notch trowel, 5/32 V-notch trowel, and that's what's recommended for wall tile setting. I'm using these tiles to find my spacing for the first one. And I've previously cut up a whole bunch of half tiles, which will go into these bottom spots here. Let's take a look. I've finished off the bottom row and all the small pieces around, and now I'm going to start laying in the 3 top rows along the top. I don't know if you noticed, but I pulled some tiles out from around the outlet, and that's what you have to do, and I'll have to cut those down as I go. So as soon as I put the top row in, that'll be the last little bit that I do. All right, I'm going to continue on. just realized that I've started using a different tool, that being the nipper. And I don't know, let's see if we can get a real good shot of that. Nipper looking a lot like a pair of scissors. And how they work is you score a line along the tile, I don't know if you can see that, and then you just squeeze them with these nippers and it breaks along that line, similar to when we were snapping them. And it's a very useful tool and necessary, especially here where I've got tiles to cut to order based on their size. And then every now and then one shatters. part of the deal. Glass tiles. Most of the time they work out well. Well, there we are. That's all the tiles on the wall, and here's what they look like. Well, I think the process went pretty smoothly, and I'm happy the way all the tiles went on the wall. If you like what you saw, please come back and watch the third episode where I show you how to grout the tiles. And as always, please push the subscribe button, and thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.